Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I'm going to be making a mermaid charm. I received this bezel from Miniature Sweet and I am absolutely in love with it. Now, I've been trying to decide how I wanted to make this charm for weeks now, and I think I'm happy with the final result. You guys are gonna have to check it out and tell me what you think, but I'm starting here with a light purple, and this was another issue. I was like, do I try to make a flesh color? And I decided that wasn't wise, so I decided to go for purple, and thankfully with mermaids that's okay. And now I'm going to work on the fin, and I knew I wanted to make it glittery because, you know, scales and fantasy and glitter always need glitter. So I didn't want this charm to end up being too simple, so I tried to use as many shades of purple as I could, and in the end I think I could have used even more. But first we're gonna get started with a clear resin, and then I'm gonna add some opaque pigment to it and make it into more of a pastel-ish purple, but still wanted to keep it dark to match the fin flipper part, whatever you want to call it. And when I added the opaque pigment, the glitter didn't show up as much, so you're going to see later I'm going to add a layer of glitter on top, but for now, this is what it looks like. And for the hair, I wanted a light purple that was darker than her skin tone, so I added some pink to try to warm it up a bit, but this is where I thought I could have gone probably darker or more pink, because on camera it pretty much looks like the same color. In person it's a little different, but still very similar. So I'm going in with the final touches here, and I'm giving her some more glitter to make it look like the scales. Always add texture to simple pieces to spice it up. It's not in the video here, but I also added a layer of pearl pigment to her skin, so it looks a little more shiny and different from the hair. Let me know what you guys thought of this piece, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!